Okay. Hey, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I want to look at Hut real quick here today. Hut 8. You know what they do. They don't mine for gold. It's Bitcoin, crypto stuff. And lately with Bitcoin going above 30 grand and staying there, we've got a lot more interest in this kind of stuff. You've got Riot that could also be a good player, a few others. This one, Marathon, works really well. I've got some of that, which looks really good. My bet is on this one, if it goes up above 13, it's going to 15 pretty easy. But I want to talk about Hut. Cheap stock, $2.90, so you can trade it like a millionaire. But this is up for how many days in a row? Like, it's up for 5 days in a row, and I would even say 6, because on this day with a little red box there, it gapped down and then had a really good closing location value right up at the top of the intraday range. And then since then, it's been working its way right along the upper Bollinger Band. So this is the thing. I think this is a stock that you can buy now. Now, it's volatile, because on a percentage basis in a 1 day, just on a 1 day range, it was like 12%. So you got to be careful in your position sizing and also just how you're trading it intraday. But my suggestion would be, if the stock runs above today's intraday high of $2.98, let's just call it $3. I think you could put in a buy stop order at 301. If the stock hits 301, you're in. You can put it a little bit higher if you want, but the point is, if the stock runs to a new high relative to today's intraday high, excuse me, I have a bad cold. If it does that, you're probably going to see a really nice pop, a real squeeze higher in this stock. The weekly chart shows you the deal. Like, this thing can run. So anyway, one other thing, just thought I'd give you the heads up. If you're a member, you already know this. I screwed up on my pricing on our dual annual plan for Stock and Option Market Mentor, and it's supposed to be up to, like, I think $2,250 per year, which is a smoking hot deal as it is. But we had the price down mistakenly at $1,500. So I've had hundreds of our members opting in for that plan. If you are not a member and you don't know about this, go to Stock Market Mentor and you can sign up for that plan. It's not going to be there for very long. Is this a marketing thing? Well, look, I guess it is, but what I'm essentially doing is saying, let's not sidestep an opportunity to market. This should be a lot higher. It's $1,500 for now. If you are interested in doing this, then just sign up and it's yours. Our existing members, we're kind of working through them slowly, but you're not going to see this price again. As soon as we can get our current demand filtered through, I'll probably leave this up for a day or two more, and then I'm going to bump it up. But for now, you get this price, it's locked in. If you like my videos, if you think that I do a good job and maybe you want to know more, guess what? You've got a chance to do that. So, all right, that's it. Have an awesome weekend, and I will see you next week.